Hey you guys, it's your girl Keyana Talented. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning OG, welcome back. Today's upload, I'm going to be recreating a makeup look that Beats by Deb did. Y'all, when I say so many people asked me to do this makeup look last year and this year, but last year I was just a little nervous, I was scared, I ain't even gonna hold you. But this year I feel like I'm ready and I am here to slay. So I'm gonna be recreating her puzzled makeup look. Now I know that she said she wasn't like the originator of the look. She actually was inspired by somebody else. Can't exactly remember that person, but I'm inspired by Beats by Deb. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First thing I did for this makeup look was I did one of my eyebrows and I filled it in as normal. So I used a Wet n Wild brow pencil, and then I also used my L'Oreal concealer in the shade 415 Honey. Then for my actual eyeshadow look, I used my Morphe James Charles palette. I will have the colors pop up on the screen, so if you guys decided that you wanted to follow along, you can actually see the colors that I used. I went for a more like a smoky pink type of vibe, so that's why I chose the colors that I did use. The glitter I used is actually from Amazon. I will have it down in the description box below, but that is pretty much what I did for this eyeshadow look on this side of my face. Moving on to the other side of my face, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrow as normal, just like I did the other eye. And then I also did apply my concealer to my eyelid, and this is going to be the base for my puzzle piece. Now, I did actually fill in my brows and apply the base to my eyelid, and then I had moved on to doing my face makeup, because I know in Beats by Deb's video she actually did her big puzzle piece first and then she did her face makeup. But I just decided to do my face makeup and get it out the way, and then I went into my big puzzle piece. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, and I'm actually gonna let the music rock out and let y'all listen to, you know, the tunes that I got on this video while I do my face makeup, because I did my face makeup as normal like I would any other beat. So with that being said, I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. I hope that you're enjoying all of my makeup looks that I've been dropping. I've been working so hard on them, y'all, staying up late editing these videos and all that fun stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe to your girl, join the crew, turn on your post notifications as well, so that you guys can get notified every single time that I drop a video, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more looks from your girl. So okay, I'm gonna shut my mouth so you guys can watch your girl slay her face, get it together, and all that fun stuff. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Communicate with me, baby. Say what you need to say to me, baby. Use your words, express your ways to me, baby. We in the slow, participate with me, baby. Communicate with me, baby. Say what you need to say to me, baby. Use your words, express your ways to me, baby. We starting fresh, it's a new day with me, baby. We tryna build up. Fuck the fake, I want the real love. Let it out, don't keep it sealed up. I know you got a lot to deal with. I know you work hard, and I'm not here to pull the wrong card. I just wanna be a sweetheart, hype you up and make you feel good. We alright, we alright, we okay, we okay. Things are gonna get better, cause I'm lighting the way. Sometimes you don't feel like talking, and I give you your space. Just know that I'll be right here waiting when you're ready to play. Communicate with me, baby. Say what you need to say to me, baby. Use your words, express your ways to me, baby. We in the slow, participate with me, baby.
I just want to ask y'all one question. Do y'all see how perfect my face is? Like, everything is like blended to perfection. Highlight on fleek, contour on snatch. Y'all, like, this makeup application is so freaking bomb. I actually have an updated foundation routine on my channel that you need to check out if you have not. So yes. Moving on with the rest of this makeup look, I'm moving on to my big puzzle piece, and I'm actually outlining it with a brown pencil first, because I didn't want to go in with black and then possibly mess up. Because even though I watched Beats by Deb's makeup tutorial and, like, you know, I was able to follow along with her tutorial, doing this look was extremely hard. Like, it was still hard. Like, this took me a very long time, y'all. Like, drawing out the puzzle pieces was extremely hard. Like, I don't even know what else to say, but it was not as easy as it looks on camera. I did take out the frustration and the mean looking, okay, I'm ready to quit parts. But that's a different story. So I'm just outlining my big puzzle piece first. After getting my outline for my big puzzle piece, I'm now going to be taking the silver shade from the 18 Hit Wonders palette, and I'm going to be popping that all over the inside of my big puzzle piece. And y'all, this silver shade is really bomb. All it does is, like, it's just pretty much like a base underneath the glitter, just in case, like, you know, some glitter spots is missed. There's an actual shadow underneath, so, you know, you really can't tell. But pretty much just apply that all over the big puzzle piece. After filling in my puzzle piece, I took a black pencil and I just outlined the shape of the puzzle. Now moving on to the part of the makeup look where I struggled the most, which is creating the smaller puzzle pieces. Now where I went wrong was I decided to just draw a straight line first instead of actually like kind of drawing the puzzle pieces individually, so like making that little curved piece of the puzzle piece. And as you guys can see, like I have that straight line like in the middle of my face. Well, it's not technically in the middle, but you know, I drew that straight line and I was like, oh snap, wait, I didn't draw the pieces that actually make it look like a puzzle. And I used a brown pencil, but even though I did use a brown pencil, it still like showed on my face. So what I did was to like kind of correct that was I took concealer on like a small defining crease brush, not crease brush, but like a small defining brush, and I kind of just covered the line up as best as I could to where you really couldn't see that I messed up. And then I went in and, you know, drew the puzzle pieces individually. But after, you know, I was able to get going, this makeup look kind of flowed easily. But like I said, you guys, it still was hard, very time consuming. I will say that it did take me a minute to actually get the puzzle pieces on my face. Now when I was comparing my picture to Beats by Debs, I was like, yo, her puzzle pieces were so freaking small. Like I know her look took some time, because my look took me like 4 hours to do, y'all. So I'm just like, yo, and I didn't even do my small puzzle pieces that small. So I was just like, yo, this is like crazy. But overall, I was able to get the puzzle pieces completely finished. So after drawing all my pieces, I went in and filled in the little smaller piece on my face, and I used the same shadow from the 18 Hits Wonders palette, and I just filled that in as normal. And as you guys can see, I'm taking my concealer to clean it up and just make it look a lot neater. After filling in my little puzzle piece, I then took my black pencil again and just went over my lines to really make this look really pop and define my pieces even more. Now I did decide to add another glitter small puzzle piece to my face, so I'm just going in and filling in a smaller puzzle piece. I decided to do one on the same side that I had the big piece on, and I just really thought that 3 pieces really brought the look together. So pretty much just filling that little piece in. Now I'm applying my glitter to my face the same way I applied it to my glitter cut crease. So I'm using my Kiss Clear Lash Glue, and then I let it dry clear, and then I just apply the glitter to my face. I'm just still using the chunky glitter that I used for my glitter cut crease. Glitter is from Amazon. It is silver chunky glitter. It came in a set of 12, so I had like a bunch of other colors. But I originally was gonna go with pink, but I decided to go with the silver halo glitter. Hollow, I always say halo. I decided to go with the silver hollow glitter because I actually had an outfit that went perfect with this look, which you guys will see towards the end of the video. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and things like that, you already saw the photos. But yeah, that shirt just went so perfect with this whole entire look. So pretty much just applying my glitter to my face. after applying my glitter to all my puzzle pieces, I then took my Wet n Wild liquid liner and I just went over my lines even more just to help them pop, and also just clean up any areas that the pencil really didn't make neat. And it really put this look together like so well. So for my lip, you guys, I went in with an ombre, and it was just such a vibe. So I'm taking my Juvia's Place black gel liner and I'm outlining my lips first. Then for the inside portion, I went in with a matte lipstick from Milani in the shade Blissful, which is just a really Barbie pink lipstick, and it was just so freaking gorgeous. And then on top of that, I went in with a lip gloss from Revlon, which is called Pinkissimo. And y'all, this combo, hunty, y'all about to see for yourself. Look, baby, I'm a real life Barbie doll, okay? I look so good, hunty. Just watching this again, I'm just like, ooh, yes. Then y'all, I did go in and set my face to bring this look together, and hunty, do y'all see how good I look? What? This hair, the outfit, I was like low-key giving, you know, 80s vibes. Like, I felt like I was giving 80s vibes, and it was just a whole vibe. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's video. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, supporting me. I really do love you guys and appreciate y'all so much. Comment down below, let me know how I did. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up on your way out. If you are not part of the crew and you're watching until this part of the video, I'm gonna need you to stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button, and turn your post notification bell as well, so that I can see you guys in my next video. And that is all I have to say. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Keyana Talent, and follow my TikTok at _Keyana Talented. It's only up from here, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Mwah.